Hello friends, welcome to this new and exciting video on Power BI. So this is our second video on tips and tricks in Power BI. Okay. Now, I don't know whether you all are aware about this or not, that we have one option in Power BI where we can like filter our data through text only. So this visual is called as text filter. Now, first I'll show you like what capabilities it have. Okay, and after that I'll tell you like how to create this kind of filter, and if this particular option is not available, then what you can do. Okay, so first thing is I'll show you the capability of this filter. See, right now I have this particular data set. Okay, I'll show you, which have name, gender, count. Okay, then we have rank, year, and image URL. Okay, that is like other things are not important, so just like simple data. Okay, now see, again, I'll show you like with the same name, for example, Betty, we have like multiple items, okay, multiple rows. Now, what I did is I have created one like bar visual, okay. So on x-axis it has names, and on y-axis it has count, okay, simple. So for example, this bar is for William. Now, how many times William is appearing in that particular data set? It is giving it as 4 million, above 4 million and all. Okay, so can we the question is, can we sort this data with the help of like text filter? Now, for example, I want the bar only for John. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just type here John. Okay, and hit enter. Now see, John, this particular four alphabet is appearing in three names, which is John. Then the second one is Johnny, and the third one is Johnny. Okay, so one is NIE and one is double NY. Okay, so now we it means that we can like sort our data with the help of text. So this is called as text filter. Okay, for example, I'll type another name. I'll type Mark here. See, for Mark, we have only one entry and the count is 1281094. If you want to type another, which is like Betty, so you can type this as well. So for Betty, we have like 949855. So one more name we can type, which is like S. Let's try SHIR. So no one is there. So what I'll do, I'll type LEY. So LEY is these three alphabets are used in many letters, and the count is like this. So with the help of text, just by typing the text, you can like sort your data. So what is the use of this text filter? So text filter is a search box that can be placed anywhere on your dashboard. It adds a text filtering capability for quick searching across your data. Okay, now text filter requires a categorical field to perform the search on. Okay, so see, I'll just select this filter. So one field only. So it is searching this particular alphabet in name field. Okay, I have just dragged name there. Then add your search term to input field and click on the search icon. So once you clicked on the search icon or you have clicked enter, it will search these whatever you have typed in the search box across your data, and it will show the representation accordingly. Now, how to use it in your Power BI? Okay, so in your dashboard. So first I'll select the search filter. Okay, now first we have to define where it will be searching. Okay, so we have to drag one field. So again, I'll drag name only. Okay, so whatever you will type, it will search in this name column. Okay, then what I'll do, again, I'll create one bar graph so that it will be very clear to you. So on x-axis, I'll show you the names. On y-axis, I'll show you the count. Simple. Okay, now let's type John. So it will search John, okay, across your data in the name column. So we have three field in which JOHN is used, and the count is like this. Okay, now if you want to type, let's say RAJ, so nothing is available. MAR, so MAR is available in so many names. If I type K, so Mark, we have count. So it has capability to search the options based on the typed text. So this is search filter. Now, if you're using Power BI for the very first time, okay, you have just installed, so you will not get this particular search text filter option here in this visualization pane. So what you have to do is I'll give you one file, visual file in the description box. You have to download that particular file. Once the file is downloaded, you have to click on these three dots. You have to click on import your visual from a file. Okay. And you have to locate the file. So you will get an option here. So for the visual, this is the option for text filter. So for using this text filter, you will need only one category. So right now we have used name as a category, and you can use like different columns. So whatever you have typed, it will search in that particular column only. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video. Okay, I don't know whether you were aware about this or not, whether you are aware about this option or not, but it will make your dashboard crazy. Okay, with the help of text, you can sort your data. Okay, so this was our second video. Daily one video will come on new tips, new visual, new tricks and all. So thank you for joining with me in this video. Thank you.